Hi students, welcome to all of you in today's class. Today I have taken a problem from equations. That is word problem I have taken. Let's see, the question is 6 years ago a man's age was 6 times the age of his son. The product of the present ages of the father and the son is 396. Then what are their present ages? That present ages we have to find out. Students are in confusion to make equations. After equations they can solve, but they are in confusion how to make equations. So let's see. I am going to try this. Here solution. Suppose your age is now 15 years. Suppose your present age is 15 years. Then 5 years ago you are 15 years now, and 5 years ago your age was how much? Minus 5 equal to 10 years. How to find out? Before 5 years or before 6 years. That means we have to subtract. And after 5 years or after some years, that means we have to add in present age. We have to add in present age. So here we will let the age of father and the age of son. Let's see. Let the present age of father is x years, and the present age of son is y years. Now present age we have let. Now let's see what is saying in question. 6 years ago. Here we can write down according to first condition. According to first condition. What is given in first condition? 6 years ago. Then first you have to make that. 6 years ago, that means father's present age is x years and son's present age is y years. Then 6 years ago means father's age was how much? X minus, or we can write down here, or no need to write this. Before this we can write down 6 years ago. 6 years ago father's age was x minus 6 years, and 6 years ago son's age was y minus 6 years. Now we can write down according to first condition or according to question. According to first condition. According to first condition. What is given in first condition? 6 years ago. 6 years ago a man's was means father was. 6 years ago a man's age was, that means father was. How much? Father's age is x minus 6. Father was 6 times the son's age, means y minus 6. 6 times the son's age. From here we can make equation x minus 6 equal to 6y minus 36. Or we can make here x minus 6y equal to minus 36 plus 6. That means x minus 6y equal to minus 30. It is equation first. Now according to second condition. After this we should write down according to second condition. According to second condition. What is given in according to second condition? After this I have written here Second condition is saying the product of the present ages. The product of the present ages of father and son. The present age of father is X and the product of son is the present age of father is X and the present age of son is Y, and the product of their ages equal to how much? 396. 396 given. It is equation second. Now after solving equation first and second, we will get the answer. We will get the present age of father and son. Let's rub these 3-4 lines. Then from here can we write X equal to 396 by Y. So we have the value of X in terms of Y. Now from equation first we can write down here from equation first, or we can write down putting the value of X equal to 396 by Y in equation first. What is equation first? X equal to X minus 6Y equal to minus 30. So here we can write down X means 396 by Y minus 6Y equal to minus 30. Let's solve this. We will get 396 minus 6Y square equal to minus 30Y, or it will be minus 6Y square. This will come this side, it will be plus 30Y plus 396 equal to 0. I am rubbing this also. There is no space. Now can we take here minus 6 common? If we will take here minus 6 common, then it will be Y square minus 6 5 are 30 minus 6 are 36, and again 6 are 36 equal to 0. 66. 6 are 36, 6 are 36 and 3 39 is, or it will be Y square minus 5Y minus 66 equal to 0. Now let's solve this. 66, 11 6 are 66, 11 and 5 no 66, that means let's factorize here 66, so it will be 2 33 here 3 11, 11 6 are 11 minus 6 will be 5. So we can write down Y square minus 11Y plus 6Y minus 66 equal to 0, or Y is common, Y minus 11 plus 6 Y minus 11 equal to 0, or Y minus 11 and Y plus 6 equal to 0. So here either this equal to 0, either Y minus 11 equal to 0, then we will get Y equal to 11, or Y plus 6 equal to 0, then Y equal to minus 6. So no, age should not be in minus, age should be in term of plus. So here we should write down neglecting. Then Y equal to how much we got? Y equal to we got 11, and our second equation was X into Y equal to 396. So the value of Y we have got X into Y equal to 11 equal to 396. Then we will get X equal to 396 divided by 11. So X equal to, let's divide 11 396, then 11 3 are 33, it will be 6, it will be 6 6 are 11 6 are 66, means 36 we got. After dividing this, we will get 36. That means the present age of father, x we have let the age of the present age of father, and y we have let the present age of son. So the present age of father is 36 and the present age of son is 11. Now here we have to write down, after this write down here, from equation second we get, okay, then we will get we have got these two values. Now here write down, hence the present age of, hence the present age of father is 36 years and the present age of son is 11 years. It is answer, and we can check our answer is correct or not. So what is saying in question, x into y means the product of their present ages is 396. After multiplying 36 and 11, if we will get 396, that means our answer is correct. Let's see our answer is correct or not. How much? 11 into 36. 36 into 11 means 36. Again 36. So 6, 3, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3. 396 came. That means our answer is correct. In this equations, in this question, if we can make equations in this in these types of questions, if we can make equations, then easily we can solve the problem. I think you have understood it. Thank you.